You ready to eat some? You gonna try to eat some food?
Peace. We're gonna try this. Let's see how well this goes. You want some peace? You want some peace? She's like, wait, I don't like the peace. I don't like those peas. Oh! You're such a handball.
Is that good?
Yeah, I don't
Is
really
that
know.
good? You like peas?
I am. Open up. Open up.
Is that good?
She's like, I don't know. She's calling, wallowing it around. You did good. Yummy. I like a piece. You want some more? Yeah, it's a good girl. Mom should make you quit laughing, huh? You want some more peas? You having fun? Mom should change her clothes too. Open up. Oh. No, no, don't spit it out. Yuck. Don't spit it out. We making a mess.